Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So happy to have you guys here. If you love videos on luxury style handbags, you're gonna love it here. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Today's video, I'm coming with you with another unboxing or reveal. This is just a beautiful bag. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I feel like now that my collection has become a little bit more well-rounded, I'm really getting into doing and buying bags, looking at bags that are more fun, that just kind of really bring my personality and style into it, because I feel like I have more of the classic kind of, neutral type bags. So now I want to kind of look for things that really just bring me so much joy when I look at them. So this is one of them. So let me go ahead and get right into it. This bag is from the Realreal. This video is not sponsored, but I have bought a lot of bags from the Realreal recently. And I always say with anything you buy pre-loved, definitely make sure you do your research. It is always a good idea to re-authenticate it again. It never hurts to do that, although they do authenticate it, initially. But this is kind of a site where I've just been buying things recently. I've just found a lot of good items on there that I've just fallen in love with, and good prices on there too that work for me and my budget. So let me go ahead and get right into it. First, just a quick story. This bag is from a brand that I don't own anything of yet, and the brand is Valentino. So it's my first ever Valentino bag, and it is a style that I've lusted over for a long time. If you remember, the rock studs was really popular several years ago, but I always loved it. I had some shoes that were kind of, inspired by the Valentino rock stud shoes, but I always lusted over their bags for it, and I finally got my hands on one in just a fun colorway. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you. So here is the dust bag, and I'm going to reveal it because I have kind of seen it myself already. Here it is. Look at this fun color. Look at that. I had to have a little pink in my outfit today just to kind of bring out the color in this. But this is the Valentino spike bag in this gorgeous hot pink suede material. The pink is, in some lightings it's really just more of a muted kind of color. It's bright hot pink, let's be real, but it doesn't look just so in your face. And then in other lights, it can look really kind of just like Barbie pink. So it just really depends. And I think it's because the suede material kind of gives off a different reflection of light depending on kind of what's being directed at it. But it has the rock studs all on it. I'm gonna kind of do a close up. So it's got these spike little rock studs. I know, now they have this bag, but they also have the Roman spike bag, I think what it's called, with the bigger studs. To be honest, I'm not personally a huge fan of that. Those big studs just to me seem too in your face, which some people can say about this with all the little studs, but I think I just like the sparkle when the light shines off of this bag that it gives. So I just I prefer this one. It's the one that I always kind of saw, and it's kind of more classic to me. But here it is. It is in this bright, bold color, which to be honest goes with more in my wardrobe than I thought it would. Even this outfit, I could wear this. I mean, it's got a little pink in there, but even if it doesn't, neutral outfits, you want to pop a color. Going out, you want, something fun. I do wear a lot of pinks and whites and, florals and things. So this brings out a lot of, the colors in my outfit. So I love it. But I'll show you guys, this has a top handle that is detachable, which is kind of cool. And so that way you could truly make it a clutch. Although I've seen a lot of people kind of wear it with their hand just in this as a clutch. It's got this beautiful turn lock right here. And then it kind of opens up to a leather interior here. I've got it stuffed currently, but if I take out the stuffing, you can see this gorgeous red interior that says Valentino. And then it comes with, I have it currently detached, but this chain, gorgeous chain strap. It literally looks like jewelry if you look at it. Look how beautiful that is. This is kind of light champagne gold hardware, and it has this really cool closure here that you can use to attach it here. So you can have the chain that you can wear both crossbody or shoulder, and then if you close it up, you've got the top handle as well that you can even remove, which gives so much versatility. And you guys know I'm all about versatility. I've definitely realized in bags, I love top handles, the ability to crossbody, the ability to adjust the strap, you know, if I can, which even though this one is not truly adjustable per se, because you can kind of loop it different ways, you kind of get a little versatility there. And I do always love a pop of color. So this is it. And I love when the light shines on it. I mean, I'm not sure if my camera is doing it justice, but it just sparkles, and there's just the studs all around, and this beautiful suede. I mean, I used to always be so afraid of suede, but honestly, like, I don't know, maybe because that's all the protection from the studs. It's, you know, no color transfer here. I mean, to be honest, I have not really worn it enough to really give it its true outing of the wear yet, but so far, and it's pre-loved. I mean, it's come in great condition to me. It came with all its cards, authenticity card, everything, care booklet. So this was just such a gem to find. I love it. And this is like my first Valentino, but honestly, the quality is so good. I'm surprised this is not more popular as it was, you know, kind of back in the day. I mean, like, the leather is gorgeous, just the structure, the hardware, all is just perfection. It almost makes me want like another one of these bags. So but I'm so happy to have this as my first Valentino bag, the Valentino spike bag in this pink color. Just beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, or reveal, I should say. If you did, again, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this. I would love to have you guys back in my future videos. Again, handbags are such a passion of mine. There's definitely going to be some more unboxings to come and just talk about handbags in this channel in general. So again, I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye.